Versatile, compact, and perfectly suited for daily commutes, our RX-E50 delivers a bright light output of up to 50 lux, giving you clear visibility and confidence on the road. The beam offers up to 8 meters of width, creating a broad and well-defined path ahead. With a beam throw reaching up to 120 meters, you can easily spot obstacles and read the road far into the distance for enhanced safety. At its core is the advanced RX optical reflector technology, designed to provide a clean and consistent beam pattern. For mounting flexibility, our RX-E50 is especially made for fork installation but can also be mounted on the front fender, stem front, or even under a basket using the appropriate mounting accessories, all without interfering with other components. Thanks to its IP56 rating, it is protected against high-pressure water and dust ingress, performing reliably in all weather conditions. Our RX-E50 is compatible with 25 km/h e-bikes and EPAC systems, and fully complies with K-Mark and ISO 6742 standards. Our RX-E50 is available in our D version, with the pins facing downwards. The package includes our complete fork mount kit with all necessary components for easy installation on your bike's fork, featuring our universal fork mount FKPL and the reflector. Discover all our products and more information on our website. For that, visit www.litemove.com. Thank you for watching.